Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Everlast Powercore Freestanding heavy bags that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 4, we have the P2000-2703 Core Freestanding Heavy Bag in black. This product is designed for training and conditioning, making it a reliable option for those looking to build endurance and strength. As one of Everlast's signature products, it's backed by their reputation as a leading manufacturer of boxing and MMA equipment. This bag weighs 11 kilograms and features a robust plastic construction, making it durable and ergonomic for repeated use. The minimalist design is sleek and functional, with dimensions of 33.46 by 33.46 by 10.24 inches. It provides a stable base for strikes, though it doesn't absorb impact as efficiently as higher-end models. The freestanding nature of the bag makes it suitable for home gyms, and its unisex design ensures that it caters to a broad audience of boxing enthusiasts. While the price isn't available, users praise its simplicity and reliability, particularly for training drills and conditioning workouts. Pros include its ergonomic design and Everlast's trusted brand backing, while cons include the lack of advanced features like impact absorption or adjustable height. If you're seeking a straightforward freestanding heavy bag for consistent training, this one is worth considering. Ranked at number 3 is the Freestanding Punching Bag for Adults by JUFP. This 70-inch bag is perfect for teens and adults who are looking for a durable yet versatile option for at-home boxing and MMA training. Built with high-quality thickened PVC material, it's both durable and elastic, quickly bouncing back after strikes and kicks. The widened base ensures stability, weighing up to 200 pounds when filled with sand or 180 pounds with water, allowing it to handle powerful impacts with ease. The design is particularly user-friendly. It includes boxing gloves and an electric air pump, making setup simple and hassle-free. Unlike traditional heavy bags, this freestanding option is inflatable, meaning it can be disassembled and folded away when not in use, a great feature for those with limited space. Whether you're practicing Taekwondo, Muay Thai, or just looking for a way to release stress, this bag excels in versatility. An ideal choice for beginners or those looking for a portable option, the JUFP bag balances performance and convenience. Its pros include excellent stability, ease of setup, and included accessories, while its cons are slightly less durability compared to foam-based models and a lack of advanced features. This is a great option for casual users or anyone seeking an accessible entry point into boxing training. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Punching Bag with Stand by Tech Tools. This adjustable height bag offers versatility and ease of use, with a spring-loaded shaft that ensures the bag bounces back into position after every punch. The EVA foam punching ball is durable and provides a satisfying rebound, making it ideal for improving timing, speed, and hand-eye coordination. The height can be adjusted from 49 inches to 63 inches, catering to users of varying sizes and skill levels. The construction is solid, with a heavy-duty base that can be filled with 66 pounds of water or 100 pounds of sand for stability. Its compact dimensions and lightweight design make it easy to set up in smaller spaces, whether in a home gym or even a living room. While boxing gloves aren't included, this kit is perfect for teens, adults, and anyone looking to relieve stress or ramp up their fitness routine. The Tech Tools bag shines in terms of accessibility and performance for its price range. Pros include its adjustable height, durable construction, and compact design, while cons include its limited suitability for heavy impact training and the lack of included gloves. If your focus is on speed, reflexes, and cardio, this bag is a fantastic option. Finally, at number 1, we have the OmniFlex Premium Freestanding Punching Bag by Everlast. As the premium option on this list, it delivers top-tier performance for dedicated boxers and MMA enthusiasts. The standout feature is the OmniFlex neck, which allows for maximum impact absorption and drastically reduces base movement during punches and kicks. Paired with Everlast's Never Tear outer shell, and shock-absorbing foam construction. This bag is built to withstand heavy use while maintaining its integrity. At 67 inches tall and weighing approximately 130 pounds when filled with water, the OmniFlex bag is suitable for both punches and kicks. Its low-profile base design ensures stability without taking up too much space, making it a great addition to home gyms. The durability of the materials and the ergonomic design make it ideal for serious training, whether you're working on power strikes or high kicks. While it's the most expensive option at $179.99, the OmniFlex bag is worth every penny for users seeking professional-grade performance. Pros include its excellent impact absorption, durable construction, and versatility for various combat sports. The only downside might be its weight, which makes it less portable than some lighter options. If you're serious about your training and want the best of the best, this is the freestanding heavy bag for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.